Hey, what is going on there YouTube? This is the Gaming Guy, and today I'm bringing you to the first week unboxing pretty much for the fall winter season, or my first unboxing for this fall winter season. Now unfortunately both of my items have not arrived, only one of them has arrived. However, 3 items have arrived for my brother, which is typical, but he just went ahead and said just to unbox it so that it's all in one video. And yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. Obviously you might have noticed a different shirt. This is one that I picked up quite a couple of months ago. It's a long sleeve and it's called a blue paisley. Obviously because it's blue, that's probably the main reason. But yeah, I picked this up a couple of months ago. I've never worn it before. I don't know why, but no, I just didn't really feel like in the long sleeve mood. Also, it dropped in 2011, I believe, so it's a little bit of an older piece. Being 7 years old, I don't want to ruin it. However, the neck is a tiny bit stretched, and so are on these sleeves, but I'm not too bothered. Now, like always, when I do these sort of unboxings, let me know down below if your items have arrived, what you ordered, what you copped, what colorway, what size, if it's arrived, or if you've only got a confirmation email, or if you've just got your shipping email. Also, if you picked up any accessories like the Mophie charger or the toolbox, if you got the Mophie charger, what colorway or what size did you get that in, and has that arrived as well? Other than that, if your shipping takes ages to arrive, let me know down below, because I know a lot of people who live in other parts of the EU or different states in America where it takes a little bit of time for the items to ship. And also Canada, there are people in Canada where it takes quite a little bit of time to ship as well. So yeah, I hope that most of your items arrive within the week or within the next week. And without further ado, let's just get into this unboxing. Okay, so obviously I've got the first 3 pieces here, and luckily or fortunately they all came with bouncy balls. Yeah, this collar sort of part is completely stretched, so but yeah, they all came with bouncy balls, which is very lucky. And I believe they said every first order came with bouncy balls, but it might just be every order of the first week. I don't know, we'll find out in a second, because there's also a skateboard deck here that's arrived. So yeah, I didn't actually say what we've got, but today we've got 2 Madonna tees. I believe it's a liquid tee my brother picked up, and then one of these skateboard decks he picked up as well. But without further ado, let's just unbox these, because I'm extremely happy and just looking forward to this. I also forgot to say whether people are stocking, rocking, or selling, like reselling straight away their pieces that they're getting this week. Because I know currently the black colourway is going for about £150 in the Madonna tee, and the other colourways are between 110 and 130, maybe a little bit more. They're all sort of around the same area, but definitely in a couple of months they'll slowly start to go up. But anyway, let's just get straight into this. My piece first, because well, it's my only piece that's arrived. I'm really looking forward to getting the Motion Varsity, or for that to arrive. My brother was instantly like, oh, you should just sell it straight on, you know, because currently I think on eBay they're going for $550. They're between like £500 to £600 basically, which is a lot. It's a lot more than people expected. It wasn't like the most hyped item, I'm gonna say that. People weren't really looking too much into it. Some people were expecting that the stock wasn't too high on it, but I think it took quite a couple of minutes to sell out, or within like 3 or 4 minutes. So I think there was quite a decent amount of stock, but maybe people just didn't like it in general. I don't know. I have not unboxed a piece of Supreme, from Supreme directly, obviously, since week 20, so yeah, I'm happy. Another bag to add to the pile, obviously, of Supreme. So, oh shit, okay. So you do actually get sticker packs for this, which is decent. So I've got for this one, I've got the Life Sucks die, and then the like lid sort of thing, or the like bottle cap sort of thing. So yeah. I've got about 6 like sticker packs currently, so that's just going to add on to it. And obviously the bouncy ball. People are actually selling these on for like 10 or 15 pounds. There was someone who sold, I think they might have had like 20 or 30, and they're wanting like 15 pounds for them each, and they sold all of them. Other people are asking for like 9 or 10 pounds for them each, but yeah, they're selling on. And I think they're pretty cool. If this would focus on it, there you go. So it's sort of like the illusion coin box thing, where it's just sitting in midair, but obviously it's a bouncy ball. So the Madonna tee, okay, cool. I'm so happy I was actually able to cop this. Obviously, like I said, this is going to be stocked until Crep City, which is in October. When my Varsity arrives, I'm gonna rip that straight out and put that straight on. That's not normally something I do when I unbox my items, but that's what I will be doing. I'll be taking it straight out and putting it straight on. However, for this, I'm gonna be stocking this until Crep City. And obviously, so you can see the graphic, sort of, but you've already seen it probably online. But yeah, so that's cool. I also called this during my video, even though I cut it out. I called it the Mona Lisa tee, I'm gonna admit that. I remember seeing also Astro called it the Mona Lisa tee too. So I'll throw those clips up because, you know, I'm not gonna act like I didn't, because there was a quick jump towards the end of my video where obviously I cut it out. So yeah, I'll throw that in, then we'll come back to it. So, if you enjoyed this video, like, be much appreciated. Obviously, I took my W's, my 2 W's, which I'm extremely happy about, which was the Mona Lisa right there and the varsity jacket right there.
Bro, I need that Mona Lisa tee, bro. What are you doing? Alright, we lit. The Mona Lisa tee, didn't get the Mona Lisa. Wait, I keep calling it the Mona Lisa.
So obviously, as you saw, we made our mistakes, but we admit to them. So anyway, let's get into my brother's items. Both of his came with bouncy balls as well. I think I threw a clip in a bit earlier about that, but yeah, they both came with bouncy balls too. Also, if you don't know what Crep City is sort of like, it's sort of like a sneaker clothing event. You know, it's all about sneakers, shoes, whatever, trainers, anything that you want to say or call them. Then it's about Supreme, Bape, Palace, pretty much any clothing brand that's out there as well, people sell there. So yeah, I'll leave a link to that down below or in the comments section if you want to look into that. You can also buy a store, which is like £15 I think, or it's just a table to sell your items at. So yeah, there is that. So I'm going to be taking the majority of the items that I get this season or up until then, and some of the stuff that I've kept stocked, or most of the stuff that I've kept stocked to that as well. So yeah, let's carry on anyway. So my brother was able to cop the Madonna tee and the liquid tee. However, his Madonna tee, I don't know if this is Madonna or liquid, so I'll find out in a moment. I literally always have difficulty opening these damn bags. Alright, so this is the Madonna tee. My brother's got the, I wish I got these stickers. Hopefully I'll get some stickers with my varsity, or I'll just buy them off my brother, but this is the sticker pack for this one, which is the organ and the fingers saying, well, you can just read it. Then obviously he's got his bouncy ball as well. So for my brother's Madonna tee, I don't know whether he wanted to go for black or whether he just went straight for this colorway, but he went for the olive colorway and he is going to be wearing this. So yeah, there's the olive colorway. And like I said, he's going to be rocking this. He said that he wasn't going to sell it and that he'd rather wear it. So he picked himself one up to wear, which I think is pretty cool. Okay, the final tee that my brother has is the, I can't open these damn packages. I would use the knife, but I'm just trying to be careful with this stuff this time. The final one that my brother was able to get, which I believe is the liquid tee, I said. I believe he got the liquid tee. I can't remember what colorway he got it in, or if it is the liquid tee, but we'll find out in a second. Okay, yeah, it's the liquid tee. So, obviously, bouncy ball, and yeah, a sticker pack. This time he's got the bottle caps and the fingers like the other ones. I haven't seen a Madonna sticker yet, which is, you know, you buy the Madonna tee and you don't get a Madonna sticker, but okay. So, this is the liquid tee. Again, I don't know with this one if he's going to be rocking it or selling it. But he's bought them both in medium, so I presume he's going to be wearing them. But this is the navy colorway in the liquid tee. I didn't go for one of these tees because it kept glitching on me and it kept throwing me back, so I thought I'd just leave it with the 2 items that I got. I do sort of regret not picking up more tees, like the same thing with the summer tees. I should have like picked up a load of like during the summer tees. I should have gone straight for the mustard colorway in the swimmer's tee and then picked up the rocks tee as well. But obviously I hesitated, I just thought there's no point. But now most of them have gone up quite a high price, especially the mustard colorway in that swimmer's tee. I just completely regret because it's about £200 currently, which is ridiculous. Like, it's just such an expensive tee compared to its retail. But yeah, this is the liquid tee, so I still don't know whether I should have got one of these or not, but you live and learn. The final piece is obviously a skateboard deck, as you can see, and with this one I can't really open it by hand, so I've just got a knife here, trying to figure out which end's best, but it's probably going to be the end that is facing me. I hate trying to figure out if I've cut like the correct part or whether I've cut into like the cardboard. I really do hate it. Yeah, I cut into the cardboard, brilliant. I thought I had cut into the cardboard and I did, so brilliant. Right, let's skateboard deck. Now I believe only the bedroom skateboard deck sold out, but I'd have to check on that because I can't remember, so I might go and check in a bit, see if that one sold out or if all of them sold out. But my brother picked up the pink colorway in the Supreme Fuck You one. So obviously this is the front to it, and now let's just turn it around to the back, which is like the main point of the skateboard deck, or for this skateboard deck. I definitely think this is such a sick colorway for sure. This is a really nice colorway for this. Definitely this one and the bluish colorway I think would definitely be the best too, but yeah, this is nice. So yeah, there it is. Now, okay, so I've sat the skateboard deck down so I don't affect its wrap, because I believe there's a bouncy ball and a sticker pack in here, which there is. This time we've got the Life Sucks die and the liquid sticker, obviously with the normal box logo sticker. And then alongside that again, we've got a Supreme bouncy ball. So, yeah. So that finishes off this unboxing. If you enjoyed, like, be much appreciated. Other than that, like I said, whatever you copped, has it arrived? And did you get, with your orders, if they have arrived, a sticker pack and a bouncy ball, or did you just get one or the other? And also, what stickers came with your sticker packs? Obviously, we have 4 variations here of these sticker packs, which are like this. So obviously, you have the liquid with the Life Sucks die, you have the bottle cap with the Supreme Fuck You, you have the organ with the Supreme Fuck You, and you also have the Life Sucks die with the bottle cap too. The only thing missing from these are obviously the Madonna stickers, so I don't know whether they were sent out separately or whether they will be in sticker packs as well. But yeah, that covers this video. If you enjoyed, like I said, like, be much appreciated. Other than that, I should have a video out on Saturday. It will either be a video covering some details for week 2, or it will be another unboxing or finishing off the unboxing of some items. Like I said, thanks for watching. I'll see you then, or I'll see you next time. Peace.